welcome back to my new vlog. Karon nga video, for today's video, I'm gonna be doing unboxing for what we order in Amazon shop. This is the one, my dear friend. Before I'm gonna show you the unboxing, please don't forget to likes and heart and leave me a comment below this video. And of course, follow my social media, MGBibs Barrel, my Facebook account. My Facebook page is MGBibs Barrel. And of course, my TikTok, Mary Jane Barrel. My Instagram is Barrel809. My YouTube channel is MGBibs Barrel. So let's go. I'm gonna show you what we order in Amazon shop. So this is the one. So my husband ordered this one because here in Italy, this is the toothbrush we're using here. So there is also a toothbrush manual, and this toothbrush is also chargeable, and it's so nice. It's very comfortable also because it's chargeable. This toothbrush, and my husband bought this one too, so I'm included also because it's also discounted in Amazon. So I have my toothbrush, and he has also a toothbrush also. So this is the one, my dear friend. This is the Italian, or I mean Italian toothbrush, or let's say European toothbrush also they're using here. So let's go, let's open. Mm. It sounds good. So this is the one, my dear friends. So we have this one. This is the inside. Ta-da! So for this is my color, sky blue, and my husband is black. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Hey, it's pulled down. So I have this one. And there's also a charger like this. I don't know if you can see it. So this is what inside. It's opened. Let's see if I can open it. Yeah, I can open. There's a scotch tape over here. We have a scotch tape. So this is here. I'm gonna show you. This is the one. This one can be charged into the electricity, and this toothbrush we're gonna be putting. So this is the toothbrush over here. I'm gonna show you, my dear friend. Let's see if I can make it this one. They're very arranging the Amazon. So when you order Amazon shop, it's very fast to deliver. So it's gonna be arrive in the morning. So it's also prime, this one. So this is the toothbrush I have here. It's broken the card. Oh my goodness, very arranging. There you go. Very fast. So this one, guys, this is the brush, and this is the brush here, and we put this one here, and this one we're gonna be putting also this one here. It's like this, and there you go. This is for turn on. I don't know if you can see. Turn on. And this is the toothbrush over here. So my husband is color black and mine is sky blue. So this is inside, and I think that's it here. And we have another one here. This is for my husband. This one, another to unbox. Let's try to open on it. Okay, I hope I can open this one. Here you go. Ta-da! What is this one? Ta-da! Maybe this is a toothpaste, or I don't know what is this one. Let's try to open. Ah! It's a brush! have so many. So I'm gonna demonstrate with you guys. So we have a lot. Yeah, there you go. There you go, guys. We have a lot because sometimes the brush is gonna be broken. The brush. So every time I'm not very fast to break my or to broke my brush. So my husband bought this one because if ever gonna broke the brush, possible to change. So this is it, guys. So let's see, because I am a sky blue. I think it's the same, this one, no matter what. Let's see. Let's try to put. I'm gonna show you, my dear friend. Ah, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So this is how using this toothbrush. There you go. There you go. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. So this one gonna be here, and this one is gonna be charging direct to the electricity, and then gonna be charging, and then gonna be toothbrush using this one toothbrush. So this is for me. So this is for me. So we have a lot of brush. So if ever it's gonna be broken, so let's go. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. See you on the next video of my vlog of MG Bibs. Bye bye.